Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you a project that I made with these chains. So if you watched my unboxing, you'll see I got 4 different types of material chains: gold, the silver, the bronze, and the copper. And it just comes in one really long strand. And I have ordered before from Beebeecraft some pre-made chain lengths with a charm on the end and a lobster clasp on the other. So I decided to get the bulk chain and just create my own because I have everything I need, and I had pre-done 4 different ones, 4 in gold and 4 in silver, and then I want to show you what I use these for. But first I'm just going to look and show you. I did 2 different sizes. I did shorter ones for the silver, and then I did this nice gold heart at the end. This one has a love heart at the end. This one has just a plain silver heart. Just checking to see if it's plain on both sides. It is. And then I used these for my latest Beebeecraft order as well. All the products for these things will be linked down below. And I put those on the ends of my dangles to create sort of an anchor. And what a marvelous starting place. So I created this set of 4 gold and 4 silver, and then you'll see what I have made with them. So in the end, I have made a dangle. And I'm going to show you what it looks like here and walk you through the whole thing. So I've created, let's put it down like this for you to see. I've created a set of beads, and a lot of them have come from this Beebeecraft kit here. And I'm gifting these to a pen pal, and I've also created this dangle for her. So you can see the lobster clasp goes onto this bigger clasp to attach to this heart so that it can dangle off the side. And then I just use a variety of charms that I wire wrapped. Wire wrapped some beads. There's some charms, and there's some different Beebeecrafts like little acrylic pieces. Like all of these were from Beebeecraft a different time because I've worked with them quite a lot. This is again another collaboration. They reach out to me and ask me if I was interested in working with their products, and of course I absolutely love their products. I ordered these owls. This time you'll find that link down below. These bubblegum beads are in their shop as well. As like, this is a wire wrapped bead that I created from this kit here, and there's another one that's that sparkly one on the end. So I went with a pink and red and silver theme for this Valentine's Day swap that I'm doing. And so I've got a little heart and all these other little beads, and then there's a little touch of yellow in a lot of the things, so I tried to tie the yellow in with some of my other charms as well as just one more sort of accent color. But primarily it's pink and red, and you can see that there. So this is something I would typically dangle off the edge of a finished scrapbook album. And you can see how at the very end there's that heart piece, and this is like a good way to see it all in a row. So this is basically, this was the starting of that, and I dangled all these different beads off of it. And that was the end piece there. That's the lobster clasp. So you can see how it's taken shape. And I used a lot of these products that Beebeecraft gave me with the different owls. And so you could really do a variety of different colors and themes. But I love pink, so I chose a lot of pink. And this gold was nice, but I did have some other silver charms in my stash. This owl set actually came with some silver and gold owls, so I did pull out the silver owl there, you can see. So what I want to show you also, I got this as a free Sephora giveaway. I used my points to get this living proof set to try, and I just kind of loved the box so much that I was like, I'm definitely going to have to fit something in here. And I actually think that I am going to use this box very simply. Instead of recreating a whole other box to wrap this up, because it's got these like black and white polka dots, I can just create a square inset for that. I can put this in here, and then I'll create another cover for the box, and then it will become like a really nice Valentine's Day box. So I'm going to go and decorate that now. And here is the decorated box. So really very simple. A piece of patterned paper with a little border on the bottom. One of these foam stickers that says sweetheart. A couple little decorations. This is a die cut here with the hearts peeking out, an XO with some little stickers added on top and a little bow on there, these fun little imitation brads. So then that's what the box looks like now. So really easy to do, didn't take long at all. And then I just put a single piece of paper in here. I love this main squeeze collection, and then the gift will go wrapped up inside this here, and that'll be a nice way to display the charms and beads that I am gifting my pen pal. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of these products that I got from Beebeecraft, there will be a link in the description box below, as well as a coupon code if you're interested in saving on your order. You can find that there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.